I think I messed up. I used to think woodpeckers were just noisy birds. Turns out they're way cooler than I thought. Meet the woodpecker, nature's very own percussionist. With over 200 species around the world, except in Australia, Madagascar, and the poles, they thrive almost everywhere. Their beaks, super strong, designed to drill into bark for bugs, build homes, and even send messages to other woodpeckers. Their tongues are so long and sticky they can snatch insects hiding deep inside trees. Even cooler, their skulls work like shock absorbers, protecting their brains from all that drumming. Woodpeckers even help forest by eating pests and making tree holes that other animals use for shelter. Fun fact, some woodpeckers drum over 20,000 times a day. How's that for dedication?